हाँ.
और सबसे पता है सबसे बेस्ट बात है उस KFC की, साईं बाबा का स्टैचू KFC के सामने है. मुझे लग रहा है कि साईं बाबा KFC के ब्रांड एम्बेसडर है.
वेलकम टू डबल बॉन्ड गाइस. मैं पाई, ये सिग्मा. और जैसे कि इसका लुक्स अभी से बता रहा है, ये इसने क्या किया इस वीकेंड क्या किया. उसके अलावा बोल वो ऑलरेडी है.
उसके अलावा आई डोंट नो, आई जस्ट वेंट स्पेंड माय टाइम देयर बस. और क्या ही करूँगा, नानी गुजर गई.
रेस्ट इन पीस नानी. But yeah, you were talking about how Biharis don't roam in underwear. कच्चे नहीं
भाई, शॉर्ट्स. ओके, एक्चुअली क्या हुआ, आई गो देयर, ठीक है. इज दिस प्लेस कॉल्ड टाटा नगर. आई डोंट वांट टू स्पीक ऑन होल बिहार साइड, वरना आके मार देंगे मुझे, कट्टा ले लेंगे हाथ में, नहीं चाहिए. तो हाँ, स्पेशली दिस प्लेस कॉल्ड टाटा नगर. आई जस्ट वेंट देयर. डिनर लेट हो गया था, डिनर दिया नहीं उन लोगों ने, तो लेट हुआ था. मैं ठहरा भूखा बंदा, ठीक है. KFC था.
हाँ.
और सबसे पता है सबसे बेस्ट बात है उस KFC की, साईं बाबा का स्टैचू KFC के सामने है. मुझे लग रहा है कि साईं बाबा KFC के ब्रांड एम्बेसडर है. एक सेकंड के लिए. हाँ. मैं अपने दोस्त से पूछता हूँ कॉल करके, भाई ऐसे ऐसे कर दिया. बंदा बोलता है, अबे यार मैं होता ना केस कर देता. ठीक है, जा कर केस. ठीक है, नहीं यहाँ मूड नहीं है. ओके, मैं बहुत डाइवर्ट हो रहा हूँ. ठीक है, पुट टू द पॉइंट. मैं वहाँ जाके मतलब क्या शॉर्ट्स में था. मैं हमेशा शॉर्ट्स में घूमता हूँ, फिर चेन्नई में मोस्टली ऐसा ही रहता है. मैं मेरीना मॉल को बहुत बार शॉर्ट्स में गया था, तो मैं वहाँ भी शॉर्ट्स में गया. ऑल थ्रू द 5 days, ठीक है, ऑल थ्रू द 5-6 days I was there. And also that particular day when I was completely out with shorts, I noticed nobody wears shorts there. I saw so many people looking weirdly at me कि हाँ ऐसे कैसे शॉर्ट्स पहन लिया. My cousins were telling me, यार ऐसे बाहर जाओगे तुम. हाँ ऐसे बाहर जाऊँगा, क्या है उसमें. तो my point is, wearing shorts in that particular place, I don't want to talk about whole
Bihar.
Yeah, at that particular place is considered like, you know, something cheap.
But then, is this Tata Nagar your native or like around your native?
It's my father's native. I did.
So it is basically your native.
Basically native. हाँ.
तो then guys, बिहार वाले इसको कुछ मत करना. ये सिर्फ टाटा नगर की बात कर रहा है, पूरे बिहार की नहीं बात कर रहा. और हम वैसे इंसान भी नहीं है. We are very peaceful. So yeah. So then is it a good thing or a bad thing that they consider people wearing shorts like sin or something?
No, I don't tell it's sin or I don't tell it's a bad thing. But I don't know, people around there don't work on what they want. They work depending on what others think.
Right. So stereotype is more important than comfort, basically what you're trying to say.
For them.
हाँ.
That's what I've analyzed or I've seen for the 1 week I was there. I mean, it's their wish at the end of the day. It's their wish. Because I know for a fact, if I go tell them, like, why are you not wearing shorts? Why are you wearing trousers or full pants even though you feel so uncomfortable? You know, they wouldn't tell कि हाँ ऐसे लोग सोचेंगे तो हम ऐसे पहन रहे. वो बोल देंगे हाँ पसंद है तो पहन रहे.
Right, yeah.
तूने क्या किया?
Basically कॉलेज और घर के अलावा मेरी कोई लाइफ नहीं बची अभी. What I'm trying to do is फिल्म देखने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ अभी के लिए. तो
फिल्म देखने में कोशिश क्या होती है?
You know that October में there's no good release as such. कौन देखेगा? I mean obviously Tamil people. मैं
पागल हो रहा हूँ. I'm going to go first day, second show or something.
Tamil people will watch it. Okay, but then like when is it?
19th, Thursday, coming Thursday.
I don't know. I just saw the trailer. I was like, LCU में होगा.
है. रामचरण भी है, बोल रहा है लास्ट में. ऐसे वो कौन विक्रम में सूर्या आया था ना, लाइक रोलेक्स, इसका कोबरा बोल रहा है. I don't know, हो सकता है.
Can be true, it can't.
Because the whole place is, you know, based around Telangana, like around Telangana only. That time it's Andhra Pradesh.
तो देन वही अक्टूबर में तो देयर आरंट मेनी मूवीज स्लेटेड सो
नहीं है no हाँ नहीं है नहीं
not like good movies. December
Yeah.
comparatively,
December.
December is
Yeah.
going to be peak.
from November it will start with Tiger 3
हाँ दिवाली से
Yeah,
स्टार्ट होगा
वही।
बट देन अभी तो नेटफ्लिक्स और इसी पे स्ट्रीमिंग सर्विसेज पे ही देखना है तो
वही।
वही चल रहा है प्लस वर्ल्ड कप चल रहा है कल इंडिया पाकिस्तान भाई क्या मैच हुई थी कल आई स्वेयर टू गॉड रोहित शर्मा डिडंट हैव इवन द माइंडसेट ऑफ लाइक taking a double he only wanted boundaries
Obviously,
only
right?
fours and sixes and Pakistanis were so confident that it's going to be the first victory of them. So you know the history of Pakistan,
Obviously.
India, Pakistan.
Yeah.
It's like India's never lost to Pakistan,
Yeah.
except for 2021.
a
Jab
few times few
one time,
it's one time
yeah, in all of World Cups, only one time India has lost to Pakistan.
Okay.
When we like India had the like they had a reshufflement of the whole coaching staff and the
Okay.
captains. So nobody was intact or in place with what they were doing or they knew what they were doing. So तब एक बार हारे थे and World Cups में we have never lost. So
Okay.
it's been like 7 straight wins till yesterday. And then obviously कल की मैच जिन लोगों ने देखी वो मैच क्या बनी भाई 1 लाख लोग Virat Kohli's best shot, the cover drive.
हाँ.
Rohit Sharma's best shot, the pull. Both. And then obviously Bumrah's magic and all the ballers, Kuldeep Yadav के मैच. And so वही चल रहा है आजकल घर पे ही हूँ ज़्यादातर. अभी एग्ज़ाम का हफ्ता चल रहा है. तो
ओपन बुक
है ओपन बुक है पर पढ़ना तो पड़ेगा थोड़ा तो एटलीस्ट एक क्लोज बुक में जितने कम मार्क है उससे थोड़ा तो इंक्रीज आना चाहिए. But,
I mean हाँ true तो है
So yeah, and obviously right now it's the 2 months of tech. So these are called as the Techtember and the Techtober, where basically all the phone brands release their newer variants except for Samsung जो कि alienated है
हाँ,
वो February में रिलीज करते हैं
Right.
but Apple released 15 Google Pixel release 8 and 8
8A,
Pro.
yeah.
And then I think OnePlus has released. I don't know. I don't
It
follow
released like
OnePlus.
2 months ago
हाँ क्या?
Yeah,
शायद
it
हुआ.
released
हाँ
2
हाँ.
months ago.
11 Pro ना?
11R
11R तो basic है. Flagship वाला 11
Pro
Hmm.
I guess I'm not sure and also released like Nord 3
And
at the
I'm
same time
हाँ और Nothing phone भी आया था पिछले महीने. Nothing phone 2.
I mean, yeah, about Nothing phone too. Like, I don't know. This is my opinion. Why are people buying it?
एक तो ग्लिफ नॉवेल्टी फैक्टर है कि अगर तेरा फोन तू लेगा एंड इट हैज दिस लाइक बैकलिट लाइटिंग एंड ऑल दैट.
I mean, yeah, I
वो
accept.
है.
I accept. Yeah, the looks are sexy. The UI is sexy. Everything is sexy about the phone.
Bleep. Go on.
Okay, but the point is like, from me, like from my perspective, I'm not the rich guy who's gonna spend my bucks on a phone who which I know has not developed so much comparatively to the other phones. If I'm spending like 40k on a Nothing phone too, I'd rather spend my 40k on Samsung.
See, currently the tech market, it's like Samsung is depleting in the way of like photography and जो basic needs है हमारे वो सारे Samsung थोड़ा decline जा रहा है.
I mean,
just cause Samsung is the only phone which can zoom up to the moon and then लोग इतने आश्चर्यचकित है उसके वजह से.
Okay.
That's only one phone.
हाँ.
तो Samsung का अगर तुम 40,000 का फोन लेने वाले हो it's better to consider Nothing and phones like Vivo, Oppo and OnePlus.
I mean, I accept. Yeah, finding Vivo, Oppo is fine. But
Because
the point is,
right now I'll put up a photo of Samsung's phone.
okay,
I took this in 2017.
okay.
Paris में था. It looked like it was taken on an iPhone. I swear. to God.
Yeah. You showed me that.
Yeah,
Yes.
and then I'll put another photo which I took in 2019 जो कि
Okay. Same phone.
नहीं अलग फोन पे
अलग phone,
पर
okay.
the range also was different but
Okay.
it wasn't that good. So yeah, Samsung is clearly decreasing in their
I mean,
population.
to be
market
honest,
cap.
yeah, kind of a bit. But the point is, currently with Nothing Phone 2 releasing at a 40, going to a 40,000 range in their second phone itself is kind of a thing. It's hard for people to trust. But the point is, the price tag makes them trust it, because you're paying 40,000, so you trust the brand. You trust it कि हाँ they'll pull up some shit with it. But the point is, I don't like to take risks, because many reviews I saw everything. I would pay 40,000 in like a flagship of Samsung probably a year or 2 years ago, and get the toppest end features, rather than a half-baked Nothing Phone 2, which is going to surely get better. To be honest, I am telling Nothing phones will get so good to the level of iPhones, and that will be the time when I believe to buy it. I'll believe to buy it. I wouldn't spend my 40,000, because I'm not the kind of a guy who will experiment.
हाँ, वो बहुत सारे लोग.
मैं बहुत कंजूस हूँ. I think
फर्स्ट एपिसोड में ही पता चल रहा है कि मैं पैसा खर्च करने वाला हूँ, ये पैसा बचाने वाला है ना. तो मूविंग ऑन, एनिमल, वी हैव टू टॉक अबाउट इट. सुबह मैंने कबीर सिंह देखी, मेरा पूरा माइंड वहीं पर है, बिकॉज कल उन्होंने पहला सॉन्ग रिलीज किया, एंड यू रिमेम्बर वी स्टार्टेड टॉकिंग इन स्कूल cause of basically credited to Sandeep Reddy Vanga's Bekhayali. Because the day Bekhayali released, the next day you asked me, "तूने Bekhayali सुना?"
I would ask that. I would ask anybody.
This song, हुआ मैं from Animal, Rashmika looks so good. She lit. That's the first song or like the first promotional material from a movie I have seen. She actually looks like the National Crush 2020.
True.
The way she's dressed, sari, wet hair, and those earrings which are like round.
Yeah.
High perfection.
I mean, like, okay, I'm gonna tell this, okay.
Yeah.
Animal. Everything sounds good, everything looks good.
Yeah.
It has 7 songs.
I didn't know
6 to 7 songs, I guess, because that's why the movie got late. That's what Vanga said while he told that movie is going to get late, because there are like 6 to 7 songs. Okay, because for me, songs are always a point of I don't know how to say. I feel like songs lag the storyline, but if you fit them perfectly in the screenplay, it's going to be great. So I don't want to doubt that, because it's Sandeep Reddy Bhanga. I totally trust him.
वो तो है.
I trust him. Okay.
संदीप रेड्डी है, वो बंदा कुछ भी कर सकता है.
So yeah.
वो हेनरी कैविल को वापस से सुपरमैन बना सकता है, वो बंदा इतना पावर है उसमें.
तो हाँ, तो basically like I remember कि हाँ हुआ मैं हुआ मैं song आ रहा था अगले दिन. But I don't know, I got busy in work. I was scrolling Instagram, ठीक है. I was not listening to the song because एक meme आया था उसका. I don't think, I didn't listen to the song by then. It was just the video playing. It was on mute. I mean, the phone was also on mute. I was not playing it on high volume. Neither was it connected to earphones. I was just seeing him. So basically, when you hear the song's good. Song's extremely good. And if you see the video with the song, okay, till some extent you can make sense of it. But I was not listening to the video. I was just, seeing the video alone. And I'm seeing, चल क्या रहा है यार, रणबीर कपूर जा रहा है, ये आके फ्लाइट संभाल रही है, क्या है, बच्चों का साइकिल है क्या, एरोप्लेन है यार.
हाँ, वो Bollywood has a very bad connection with flying things, because last month or so I watched Dil Dhadakne Do twice. And उसमें like that Kabir, Kabir from that movie, which is Ranveer Singh, he has a flying license or something, pilot का license.
Okay.
How does he have a license? One, okay, उसका बाप अमीर होता है उस movie में, but still. Also, there is this parallel. Okay, obviously Tejas is also coming out, so we don't know how Tejas is going to do.
I mean, story point of view and all, I believe Tejas will work. But CGI point of view,
CGI, I feel like we are running into a simulation of a game.
Yeah.
Which
I know, I can see them. I'm a very big fan of Top Gun.
Yep.
I've seen Top Gun 1 and I've seen Top Gun Maverick. I'm a very very big fan, especially of Top Gun Maverick. मैं पागल हो गया था. I was shouting when I was seeing it in my phone.
Exactly.
I was shouting when I was seeing it in my tab. I was shouting every time I see the movie.
Yeah.
And when they tried to do the same, I'm like, you tried well, but you failed miserably at the same time.
Yes, the CGI is very bad, and plus the efforts are not that good. 'Cause
I mean,
Top Gun, Tom Cruise is वो बंदा literally चला रहा है.
Yeah, he's literally doing it.
तो obviously like कुछ तो like
And plus, like, I don't understand these days. I'm seeing many movies from every single belt. What, they forgot to use, they forgot how to use green screens properly.
Exactly right.
You forgot to put lighting.
Exactly.
Where the hell are you putting 700 crores? You know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about.
The infamous 7-month wait of the
Yeah.
Ramayan remake. But then also Ramayan.
Oh boy.
Nitish Tiwari.
Nitish Tiwari. He's gonna blow that up.
Even Sai Pallavi, I think.
Sai Pallavi, Nitish Tiwari, and
Yash. Yeah.
Yash will be
So,
the Ravan.
yeah.
Sai Pallavi, Ranbir Kapoor, obviously. And they are telling that Sunny Deol might pull in up for Hanuman.
Oh, yeah, that would
There are rumors, and I think it will be a great choice.
it would make sense, yes. But also on the same level of Animal, because we were talking about it. Last week, Race 3 का जो पूरा एल्बम है,
Okay.
this is completely
Okay.
irrelevant.
I know.
Race 3 का जो एल्बम है,
हाँ.
वो Spotify पे रिलीज हुआ.
It was not there on Spotify.
It wasn't there for at least like a good year. I don't think it was there. You can check once, but I don't think it was there.
I know for a fact that Z and Spotify,
Spotify
had
का,
had some war in between due to which it was not there.
But Race 3 का था नहीं.
Okay.
रेस 3 का जब आया तब रेस 3 एंड द होल रेस फ्रेंचाइज इज गुड बिकॉज ऑफ वन सॉन्ग एंड इट्स
Allah Duhai. Obviously.
इट्स गुड फॉर
Yeah.
वन सॉन्ग. तो
Yeah.
मेरी जो स्पॉटिफाई की प्लेलिस्ट है
हाँ.
जिस पे मुझे वो एड्रेनलिन रश मिलता है
हाँ.
उस पे मैंने ऑब्वियसली वो ऐड किया. तब मैं सोच रहा था अनिल कपूर है, बॉबी देओल है.
Oh yeah.
The price bracket or the budget of the movies are quite similar.
How much? 300, 200, 200.
I can't tell a proper number,
But
but
I remember it's around 200.
And then except for the fact that this will be a proper Punjabi family
Yeah.
in India set movie,
Yeah.
whereas that was a half Haryani, half.
Let's start for me. You have to cut this part.
Yeah, obviously.
Obviously. Okay.
So,
हाँ.
बजट सेम था. अनिल कपूर, बॉबी देओल दोनों
Okay.
सेम दोनों हैं. दिस वाज अ हाफ हरियाणवी हाफ दुबई में वाला मूवी रेस
Okay.
3. एनिमल इज अ प्रॉपर पंजाबी संदीप रेड्डी वहाँ का
But-
वायलेंट वाला मूवी.
Pause कर दो थोड़ा.
होने दे.
Hello. Yeah. Then podcast record just now.
So we were talking about Race 3 and Animal having quite the similarities. क्यों कर रहा है?
पता नहीं.
तो मुझे क्या लगता है कि Animal is going to be about basically Bobby Deol, Ranbir Kapoor,
I'm
and
guessing it to be a very simple,
it's
revenge
not,
story.
It's not gonna be simple. It's
I
Sandeep
mean,
Reddy.
no,
Vaga.
it's not going to be simple. But I know the plot is all about revenge.
Yeah.
But the plot is all about revenge. You can, you know for a fact you'll understand the movie easily, but
Yeah.
you'll feel the movie.
That's the point
There's
where
a
I can't
difference.
go to the movies for Animal. Cause पापा को अगर ट्रेलर दिखाया मैंने मैं घर से बाहर निकल वाला. Like I'll be out of the house if I show
You
the
show
trailer.
the song, you'll already be out. And it's only the first song out of the 7.
I mean listen, 9th में थे कबीर सिंह आई थी.
हाँ.
बेख्याली में 10 बार देखता था
हाँ.
YouTube पे. तब हमें like we didn't have the like freedom we have right now also. So और बेख्याली का जो कबीर सिंह का
Yeah.
जो पोस्टर
हाँ.
मेन है उसमें ही दे हैव लाइक दैट काइंड ऑफ
हाँ,
सीन्स
obvious.
तो it will work but I so wish Race 3 was at least a bit better.
To be honest,
It's such a missed opportunity. Like it's all of what you wanted in a. It's an action movie. It has romance. It has the budget.
It has romance.
जैकलिन फर्नांडिस नहीं रोमांस के लिए पर फिर भी
I don't know what Jacqueline Fernandez keeps doing in movies.
Yeah, that's what.
What does she come for?
That's
What are you paying her for?
Pooja Hegde,
हाँ
Jacqueline Fernandez, Disha Patani.
हाँ
Why are they there? Jacqueline Fernandez का the most prominent role I remember is probably Kick and Judwa 2.
still cleavage filled. I mean, I feel like Jacqueline Fernandez is called into the set for cleavage.
I didn't say anything.
Because she doesn't have any acting skills.
वो तो सभी है
हाँ
वो तो half the industry doesn't have. Why do you think किसी का भाई किसी की जान was made? You saw किसी का भाई किसी की जान?
Please, no, I didn't see it. I don't know.
Thank
what
God you're a guy. You're a good
I
guy.
mean, like, I know for a fact, you know, I know movie shit.
Mhm.
I know movies going to be borderline cringe.
Yeah.
I know for a fact, seeing all the reviews are going to be, you know, patriotic dialogues out of nowhere.
वो अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट स्कीम है भाई अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट स्कीम है सारे टिकटॉकर राघव वो डांसर है राघव
हाँ पता है
he made half of his career cause of Dharmesh and cause of Star Plus because Star Plus was getting TRP cause of him and वो पलक तिवारी I guess
हाँ
on Dance India Dance Plus
पता नहीं है
कुछ है उनका रेमो डिसूजा का कुछ
डांस प्लस
या
डांस प्लस and what's going on with Shilpa Shetty? Why is she there in every single show possible?
she is I'm not gonna lie उसका रेपुटेशन लाइक उनका रेपुटेशन बहुत ही ज़्यादा अभी शोज में she's sucked into all of the TV serials and TV shows
Because she's scared if she'll go off stream she won't get any job because of Raj Kundra.
yeah and Raj Kundra का ट्रेलर देखा
हाँ
फराह खान वाला
I'm hoping, to be honest, I'm hoping it to be funny. I'm hoping it to be something funny.
because ट्रेलर टीजर ही इतना फनी है तो
Yeah.
but then Shilpa Shetty back to the point is like so much seeped into the TV industry right now that you saw what was it called Suki
Suki?
उसका
No, I
movie
didn't
आया
even
recently.
realize it released.
हाँ
I
exactly.
know there is a movie because मैं
सुकी आया निकम्मा आया
निकम्मा please, it's a
निकम्मा
remake.
फ्लॉप
It's
गया
a remake.
या बट पहला ओरिजिनल मटेरियल भी फ्लॉप ही था शायद है ना?
I mean, original material was not flop. Okay, look, Nikamma is a remake
Middle
of
class.
an Indian, not
Telugu.
Indian, Telugu movie, Nani's movie called
Yeah,
MCA.
yeah,
I
middle
still
class
remember the reviews, how average the movie was, and only few set of audience liked it.
Mhm.
And I don't know why these people remake it. I don't know for a fact. Why do you remake average movies? For example, Vedalam from Tamil, Ajit's movie. Critics wise, it was an average movie. People loved it. People of Tamil Nadu loved it. And a great, Chiranjeevi. He took Bhola Shankar.
Nah, but then sometimes even the like average works from all around India, at least for one project I can talk about, turn out to be better, which is driving license. Selfie जब बना वो अच्छा बना, and that's according to what you said. I haven't watched.
Yeah,
Selfie
to be
yet.
honest, I'm telling you, I haven't watched Driving License original version of Malayalam. Yeah, many Malayalam movie watchers are gonna come over and be like, catch my collar and be like, have you seen the original? See the original and talk about Selfie. Whatever you talk about it, I don't give a shit if the original is good or not. I know the product which came out from Bollywood, which is a remake, even though it was taken by Akshay Kumar, it was a very appreciable product.
And one more movie back in the day, Ram Pothineni, Sonu Sood, Rashi Khanna. I don't know what it is called in Telugu, but
I know. Kandiriga.
हाँ, और उसका रीमेक मैं तेरा हीरो. बजट था, फनी था मूवी, गाने अच्छे थे, गाने बहुत अच्छे थे. I swear. And today also I look back into
Obviously,
Pallat and
yeah.
all those songs.
Yeah.
I'll still dance to it.
I mean, to be honest, I think the name is Kandiriga. I don't know. I don't remember
Maybe,
properly.
yeah.
But to be honest, when I was a kid, there were songs from that movie which I danced on, which my mother even tells me right now. But to be honest, as I grew up and I saw Main Tera Hero, I completely couldn't tell it was a remake of Kandiriga because I myself found it being way better.
Yeah.
Telugu fans will kill me, but believe me, I can't help it. I liked it better.
क्या बोलने वाला था मैं? But yeah, good start to the podcast. A very good start. We have talked about all the movies coming out. We haven't talked about what
We haven't talked.
What
Did you see
we
Sam
do?
Bahadur's teaser?
नहीं, सिर्फ TRP का ये देखा. क्या होगा?
Stop the podcast right now and watch the teaser. You know how many times I watched it? Bro, I'm telling you, I'm writing it right now. If Vicky Kaushal does not win the national award
For Sam
and every single fucking award there for Sam Bahadur,
goes to animal.
no,
Goes to any other movie.
no, I don't give a shit. If Vicky Kaushal is not winning the Best Actor award in every single level possible, be it Filmfare, be it IFA, be it national award.
Mm-hmm.
I don't give a shit. He has to win it. If he does not win it, I don't believe in movies anymore. I'm seeing a teaser and telling this. I'm seeing a teaser and
not
telling
even
this.
the trailer, not even the movie. Yeah.
I'm seeing a teaser and telling this. Man has given me goosebumps every single time I watch it. Man's a legend. And I bet there is no better Hindi actor in Bollywood right now.
Yeah.
Questionable, but still I'm speaking in the
current
Yeah.
days में, yeah.
And to be honest, believe me, if that movie is given the right amount of attention, that movie is given the right amount of advertisements,
Mhm.
that movie turns out to be good because it's Meghna Gulzar's movie who has taken Razi before. She's very good at acing it in that genre.
Yeah.
With Vicky Kaushal in that thing and everything going right. I won't see. I mean, I wouldn't hesitate to tell it will give a very hard clash to Animal. Because Animal is releasing on 1st of December.
Yeah,
This is releasing on 8th of December.
Okay.
And yeah,
Oh, I
if
know.
this releases and if this booms out very, very high,
Mhm.
believe me, Animal's lifetime collections will be cut short. Cut short, like, look, okay. If people are actually hyped for Sam Bahadur, believe me, the drop on Friday of release of Sam Bahadur for Animal, the drop for Animal that day will be drastic. I'll just tell that, I'll just tell ki the drop of Animal
Yeah.
on the release of Sam Bahadur, if
Yeah.
Sam Bahadur turns out to be great and all that,
Yeah.
believe me, the drop for Animal will be just a bit
Monumental.
better than
Mhm.
the drop of Adipurush on Monday. I bet. I'm telling this to you. Watch the teaser.
Yeah. Also, today is 15.
15. Yeah, today is 15.
हमारे लिए 15th है, इनके लिए शायद 15 कब का चला गया होगा.
हाँ,
एडिट करते करते टाइम लगेगा. बट कल दोपहर
हाँ.
12 बजे टाइगर 3.
Tiger 3. Yes. I don't give a shit. There is class. I'm gonna go tell the teacher. I'm like, Tiger 3.
टाइगर
रोक,
3 आ रहा है.
क्लास को
रोक दे.
क्लास को रोक दे.
Yeah, I just remember that.
Yeah.
I was like 15th October. कल कुछ होने वाला था. 'Cause
Tiger 3.
This whole week, right? It's been so monumental. एक तो Sidemen turned 10. Guys, great YouTubers, one of the best on the platform. Please do watch them. They have a lot of long videos, but wit, funniness, and over 18 jokes are top notch over there. So they just turned 18. They just turned 10. This
I turned 18.
Yeah, we turned 18 recently.
Yeah.
But don't do anything of that information, please. But they turned 10 on 13th. 14th, which was yesterday, India-Pakistan match, and KSI versus Tommy Fury, and Logan Paul versus Dylan Dennis. Dylan Dennis lost the worst, and KSI got robbed.
You can clearly see my face. I don't know anything about this.
Yeah, but like it was very monumental.
I
KSI के सारे फैंस जो हैं
हाँ.
इंडिया वाले जो भी देख रहे हैं हमारा
हाँ.
पॉडकास्ट, वो भी लाइक सहमत होंगे. KSI के जो फैंस हैं उनमें से एटलीस्ट 70% ऑफ द पीपल थॉट दैट KSI is going to lose.
Okay.
Because Tommy Fury is an actual boxer, whereas KSI comes from a YouTube
Obviously.
boxing background. And so then everyone on the internet was like, KSI is gonna win. Sorry, KSI is gonna lose. KSI वाले fans ही खुद बोल रहे थे कि JJ might, like उसका नाम JJ है.
हाँ.
Olajide Olatunji, which
हाँ.
is his actual name.
हाँ.
His home name is Junior Jide, which is his father's name. So that's how we call him JJ. तो JJ का जो फॉर्म था, उनको लग रहा था KSI के फैंस को, JJ के फैंस को, कि JJ जीत नहीं सकता. और the like 25 to 30% of the fans that stuck with him, all of them think that KSI got robbed in the match because of like 1 or 2 points. They barely lost by 1 or 2 points.
Okay.
And boxing में जो होता है, the amount of jabs is also important. It's like the amount of boundaries we hit in cricket.
हाँ.
So Tommy Fury only hit 12 jabs throughout 6 rounds, but then KSI hit like 38 jabs and still KSI lost. So it was a big this thing. And plus obviously कल 16 अक्टूबर है, टाइगर 3 रिलीज ट्रेलर. YRF का प्रमोशनल मटेरियल जो होता है वो इट्स वेरी
I mean, you know, YRF
they didn't promote the great Indian family.
family.
I don't understand why, because right now there's a big demand of small town Bollywood movies.
I don't think so. It has gone. The time has gone.
Since
Dr. G barely performed.
But उसका वो ये भी था ना, वो social like क्या बोलता है, social
Then what
message
was an
भी था.
A-rated movie?
देख OMG 2 social message भी था, small town भी था.
You know, okay, yeah, small town.
So there is a demand. We can't say it's at the peak, but like
I mean, to be honest, I know that for a fact. You know, Bollywood has overused small town stories using Rajkumar Rao and Ayushmann Khurrana.
Yeah.
They have overused that
Now
term.
that's why Vicky Kaushal can't perform, right? That's why
I
Vicky
mean,
Kaushal is performing.
the main highest reason why I seriously think the Great Indian Family didn't promote is mainly because of Shah Rukh Khan himself. You know why? Because you know Shah Rukh Khan is tied up with YRF, Spy Universe and all that. And you know, the Great Indian Family released on August 15th, August 22nd. When did it release? It released on August 15th.
22nd.
22nd. And when did Jawan release?
September 9th. September 7th.
No, wait. No. It didn't release in August. Then. It released-
September 22nd.
No.
हाँ.
That was the initial release date. I know for a fact कि like the Great Indian Family released after Jawan.
हाँ तो वही September 7th को जवान रिलीज हुई. September
15th.
22nd.
15th.
Bet on it.
Check.
22nd.
I think it's 15th. Let's see.
I know for a fact. मेरे पता नहीं कैसे. I just know movie dates properly.
Okay.
हाँ तो go
Okay.
ahead.
So yeah, September 22nd. I know this is just a theory, might be also wrong. You can take it light. You can think I'm a crazy guy for thinking this, but I feel because like you know Jawan's running already by that time.
Mm-hmm.
It's around the same time when
1,000
Jawan's going
crores
to hit
cross.
1,000 crores. And if YRF does this much, you know, promotion and all that,
Yeah.
the movie will get affected and all that. Shah Rukh Khan is related with them, and you would obviously want to let down a small town story led by Vicky Kaushal, who did this movie back in 2020, 2021. And the movie then got delayed by 2-3 years because of production issues. So by that time, they wouldn't like the movie's budget is around 30 to 50 crores. That's what I've seen. And 30 to 50 crores for YRF after Pathan in the same year is not a very big deal.
True.
And having Tiger 3, they know for a fact.
Yeah. It's
The
not
Great
bad.
Indian Family is this much to them.
Yeah. But anyways, great podcast start. तुझे कुछ और बताना? बस
What do you
बता-
guys want?
हाँ प्लीज बताओ हम लोगों ने आज बिफोर रिकॉर्डिंग दिस पॉडकास्ट वी हैड लाइक अ लिस्ट ऑफ थिंग्स वी वर गोना टॉक अबाउट एंड ट्रस्ट मी आज के एक पॉडकास्ट एपिसोड में सारी चीजें किक हो गई तो वी डोंट हैव एनीथिंग टू टॉक अबाउट बट कमेंट करके बताओ कि क्या चाहिए एंड वील हैव वीकली अपडेट्स एनीवेज गाइस वील डिसाइड वील पोस्ट दिस सो थैंक्स फॉर लिसनिंग have a great evening have a great day have a great night peace out probably what do you think Sunday नहीं Sunday को तो हम रिकॉर्ड करेंगे Saturday कब पोस्ट करना है मुंडी हिलाना बंद कर कब पोस्ट करना है बता वेलकम टू डबल गांड माइक टेस्टिंग 1 2 3 वेलकम टू डबल गॉन
यार बहुत
वही आ रहा है